What's up, y'all? My name is Aurora. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm showing you a $25 lace front wig. You heard that right. So this video is featuring Sam's Beauty. They are a supplier of a bunch of affordable wigs. I will link all their info down below, including the unit that we will be playing with today. But this is an honest review, an honest first impression. I haven't tried this wig on at all, and I'm not being paid. They did send me these wigs, but all opinions are my own. So we're gonna see what we think of this $25 wig. I'm so excited. Let me first show you the wig, y'all. This is her. I got this really pretty, kind of like orangey, red, brown toned wig. I just thought that this was a very on-trend color and something that I don't own in my wig collection. This is the Sensational Dashley Lace Front Wig, Unit 8. We'll be playing with this, trying this on. I'm a beginner when it comes to wigs, so this is a completely beginner-friendly. However, if you know what you're doing with the wigs, I'm sure that you'll be able to see from this unit and from this video if this is a wig that you are interested in and what my full review and thoughts are. But before we get started, if you are not already subscribed, welcome to my channel. I make videos all about fashion, beauty, and home decor on a budget. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. I post videos every single week. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Very excited. Let's see. $25. Can we make it work? Let's go. We're a little bit more close and personal. I also have a mirror right here. Say hey to yourself. So I might be looking over there as I'm applying them. Let me show you the box that it came in. This is what it showed up in. Like I said, she is a lace front. They describe it as a deep center part, ear to ear lace. This is in the shade MP Hazel. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I need to tell you. She also comes in a bunch of different colors: blonde, gold, hazel, copper, rose gold, and lavender. So I'm very excited to see what I look like. I already have my hair up. I'm going to take her down, and as I do, I'm going to share with you the different products that I'll be using today. I have a full bald cap method video on my channel. We're not doing all that today because I'm literally just filming this to show you guys, so I don't really want to, you know, deal with a full-on glued down wig situation. But I do want you guys to get a full picture view of what this wig looks like on, and I want to see what it looks like on. I'm using a hairbrush, got my parting comb, a fresh wig cap, some scissors. I did grab my tweezers. I'm not sure if I'm going to need to pluck anything. I kind of want to put her on first and then decide. I usually do pluck my wigs, but I also don't have my styrofoam head on me today. So I always like to give you guys a view of like what it looks like not plucked, and then we'll go from there. I have this teasing brush. Again, I'm not sure if I will use. And then as always, I always like to have near me my big accessory kit. My lazy girl hack with my long hair. I just start by brushing all of it back. Then I'm taking a ponytail and I want to gather it as low to the nape of my neck as possible while still making sure all of this stays smooth. I'm taking out my wig cap. Probably, yeah, it's not the best match, but it will do. Putting it over my head, and then I'm tucking this big ponytail into the cap. You'll have a bulky mess, and then I just kind of smooth that out with my fingers. Okay, we have our wig cap on. Let me show you the inside. You get 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, adjusting straps, and obviously the uncut lace. I'm not going to touch this until we try it on first, because then I will go back and pluck if I need to. But I am going to loosen up these straps because your girl has a big head. And in terms of the quality and just like first impression, not on the head yet, thoughts, for $25, I think that this is an amazing deal. Obviously, she is synthetic, but I just feel like this is a lot of hair, and it's not one of those cheapy Amazon wigs either. So I'm just going to put this over and flip. Hold on. I really like this color though. I think it looks really good. I really like this like swoop. I feel like it covers a lot of like room that maybe obviously you would want to pluck this, thin that out, but with the cut on it, it kind of just covers it up. So if you're lazy or you just want like a quick wig, you might not even feel like you need to do that. I really like this color, y'all. This is good. So I'm just softly brushing her out. Let me show you the length on this so you can see a little bit better. I really like the curls. Okay, so brushed out, unbrushed out. Really love this color. Like, I want to dye my hair this color. Okay, so in terms of first impression thoughts so far, do I think I want to pluck it a little bit on the hairline? But honestly, I feel like this wig is something that, like, if you want a fun, cute wig for cheap, and I think it looks pretty, like, natural, again, for having nothing done to it. I will say that if you do want to wear this wig for every day, you want to do some more work to it. But that's not what I'm looking at it for. I'm looking at it as something fun, flirty, something I can put on for pictures or whatever, maybe a night, but not an everyday wig type thing. For $25, how could you not? And I love these kind of like front flattering pieces. I think that's really pretty. Okay, this is why I like to glue my wig caps down. I'm going for like a very like 70s vibe, so I'm not gonna lay any baby hairs on this wig. Usually I do if I want more of like a, usually I do, but like I said, I just don't really want one today. So we're gonna put her back on and we're gonna cut this lace. We're just gonna cut the lace and come back. I have a video on how I cut lace. I can link that down below too. It's not the best. But people asked for it, so I made it. But let me go cut this and then we'll be back. For $25, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do I think that I could have plucked it more? Absolutely, and I probably will. But like I said, I pulled it right out of the box to show you guys, and I wanted this to be like a review video, not a full like install. This is amazing. I think it's really the color for me and the cut that are making it just completely worth it. Now, I will say it does tangle, and I will say this is not, like, this is a synthetic wig, and I do think that that's, you know, a little obvious. But if you don't mind and you are looking for something that's cheap, that is just like a fun color or a fun switch up, then I definitely recommend checking out Sam's Beauty, specifically this wig. It will be linked down below. Again, it is the Dashley lace front wig unit 8 in the color hazel. Let me know what you guys think. I really do feel some type of way in this color, especially with this sweater. I just feel like fall. Anyways, I love you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Let me know down below what types of videos you want to see, whether it's wig, fashion, home decor, beauty, whatever. And of course, if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at RoryBelle with 3 L's and 1 E. Thank you again, Sam's Beauty. Check this wig out if you're looking for something cheap. Mwah! Love you. Bye.